Hello friends, today I'll be discussing about a lot of issues which are happening in India, which is a good part as far the corporate sector is concerned in India. The speedy justice is being followed and a lot of cases are being resolved at a shortest possible point of time. The need of the hour is, if you see United Nations, they are sustainable development goals as part of the whole forum of BC 2018 in Geneva, and it was an enlightening forum where we talked about how to develop the empathy factor, gender equality. If really we want to implement gender equality, I think in India, if India has to go to the next level, it has to be 50-50. We cannot fight in the name of religion, we cannot fight in the name of caste creed. What is needed is, even in the judiciary or in terms of, if you talk about the government itself, it should be 50-50% rather than having that caste and creed based system. Until unless that is not abolished, India is going nowhere to the next level. So the need of the hour is, it should be 50-50. Balance goes up and down, things falter. Having said that, what I foresee in the near future, the whole ecosystem of even governing the government has to change so that women are empowered. I think women is already empowered in many ways. It's just that because of the lifestyle we are put into, a woman is not able to come out from her own den and be the best version of herself. And having said that, I would tell all women entrepreneurs, work in technology domain. Technology is something which you would love to do. The need of the hour is to work on technologies which can actually increase the trust factor on a global level. So if there's any kind of dispute, the dispute can be resolved by arbitration, it can be resolved by mediation. But let me tell you, mediation doesn't work the way it has to work. Though mediation is a process where both parties agree to participate, but let me tell you, if one party is not able to understand the concept of mediation, penalty has to be imposed. I have seen parties where the mediator is there, the parties are called for a particular day, one party turns up, other party doesn't turn up, so they play this mind game which is very ugly and very dirty. So to combat this menace, the Mediation Act itself has to be changed in India. The only way to combat this menace is to have strict laws in terms of imposing a penalty which becomes a state of affair for the people who actually understand it. So how to do that is by electronic communication. Make things more easy. It should be easy enough that even a letter should suffice the purpose of getting justice. The willingness to participate in the whole concept of getting justice is a need of the hour. Each and every one of us have to change our mindset to make this world a better place to live in. Always see good in everything. I think that is something I have imbibed in my Zen culture. Since I always try and see the good stuff in everything, every religion, caste and creed, the person you come across has a lot to offer in terms of even understanding that this is something you should not do. And when you train your mind that you're not going to do this, you become a better person. And this is the way I plan to inculcate the happiness factor, the empathy factor. Once the empathy factor gene is activated, a lot can be taken into consideration. Simple words, when you talk about innovation, the innovation should be such that is helpful for the society to develop as a whole. And if you understand that concept, you would be able to solve a lot of problems which are the real problem, and real stuff needs to be built in this current scenario of Industry 4 era. Having said that, have a great day ahead. My name is prity.khastgir. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. You can also put your comment in the comment box below. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. And we will be happy to assist you in regards to identifying the pain points in your business. I think this is a service which I have been pitching to my clients across the globe, and it is working wonders for everyone, because when you have a legal eye approach to technology business, you're able to identify pain points in a very, very different fashion. And when you're able to identify the problems in a very different fashion, the solution is something is like voila. So the voila moment would be there, and with that intent, have a great day ahead. Bye bye, take care.